Hi, this is Ellie. Today I'm going to explain about the Leet code, question number 13, Roman to integer. It's a question where we just convert the Roman numerals that are given in a string um, uh, to different values, to number values. And these 7 symbols each have a different value stored in the values hash map here. And you can see each of them are just the same as how this chart is stating them. And in this function, we receive string s, and it's the line of symbols to convert into the values from Roman numerals. And here we start I as 0. This I will keep us on track as we need to know how many times we've been in this while loop. So this while loop is going to run until I is less than the length of the string we are receiving. And here in this first part, we are finding the current symbol and the value of that one symbol. So we are using the substring function of s to find the first for this turn. It is the first symbol, so we'll call it the first symbol. And then in the current value variable, we're gonna get the value that is assigned to the specific key. That's gonna be the current value. And then if we come over here, the second part, it is checking if the symbol is not the last character in string s. If it is not the last one, we need to find the next symbol and get the value of that symbol. So that is what we're doing right here, because some of the symbols are combined by 2 of them, and it will create a different number, rather like different number than it was alone. So yeah, from now on, there are 2 possibilities. I'll just explain the rule of the 2 symbol thing. So an example is XL. X is 10 and L is 50. And there's all the symbols would be in ascending order except one exception, when the values are 4 and 9, 40 and 90, and 400 and 900. As we can see here. So for 4 and 9, we use 5 and 10, but 1 is subtracted from each. So how that works out is 4 would be IV, which is 1, 5, and 9 would be IX, which is 1, 10. So we would have to subtract 10 from 1 and 5 from 1. I mean, the opposite. 1 from 5 and 1 from 10 to get 4 and 9. So that's how it works for this also. This is another example for X and L. X is 10 and L is 50. So the current value, X, is less than the next value, as we can see here, is it's what we're checking right here in the if statements. So we would go right into this part for this example. And since 10 is less than 50, we would go 50 minus 10 equals 40. Next value minus current value, and we would add it to sum, which is the cumulative value variable that we are going to use as the last answer. And we would add 2 to I because we have dealt with 2 characters in our string s. So we subtract and add the values in the variable sum. Then the other possibility, because I said there are 2 possibilities in this from this place on. The other possibility is if all the symbols, if the symbol is in the normal ascending order, then we just add the value of the current symbol to the sum variable and increase I by 1 because we're only dealing with 1 character. And This while loop will loop until I is less than the length of string s, as I said before. And if that while loop ends, we would return the value of sum for as our answer. So if I run the code first, so we would get 3 for I, which is the correct answer. And if we submit, we would also get the correct answer. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.